Creating a high school transcript can be a scary thing for homeschool families. There's figuring out what to add and where, how to calculate GPA, tracking courses and extracurricular activities, and how to make it all look professional. It's easy to feel like if you mess this up, your child won't be able to get into the college of their dreams. Surely there's a better way. There is. Transcript Maker lets you create a professional transcript quickly and easily. With Transcript Maker, creating a professional transcript is super easy. To get started, just enter your student's name. Transcript Maker's intuitive interface helps you plug in details in a snap. Add courses, subjects, credits, and grades, and watch your info populate in real time. Next, showcase your students' standardized test scores. Easily and quickly add the name, score, and date taken. And finally, toss in as many extracurricular activities as you want. Ready to make your transcript look pretty? Customize everything from grading scales and section labels to font sizes and school years. Give your students' transcript an even more professional vibe by entering your school details and certifying it as the principal. Transcript Maker makes it easy to print your transcript in portrait or landscape mode. Have more than one student? You can create and manage up to 5 transcripts at a time. Now you have a professional transcript. It's fast and easy. Join 50,000 other homeschoolers and say hello to Transcript Maker. Try it for free for 14 days at transcriptmaker.com.